Many students are asking me, Reddy sir, which language we have to follow? Which language we have to learn? To get the job in the computer science industry, which language we have to learn? Many students are asking. Through experience, I'm saying, some companies are working in Java. Some companies are working in Python. Some companies are working in C++. Some companies are working in the C language only, like Qualcomm kind of thing, something related to hardware stuff, right? So it is working in the C language only. Some companies like Microsoft working in the C++ language. Some companies, big companies, right? Some big companies working in the Java. Some companies are working in Python. What I mean to say is, through experience, I'm saying, right? Please learn as many languages as possible. Mainly C, C++, Java, Python. These 4 languages learn. Language learning so easy, trust me. Language learning so easy, trust me. If you know one language, you know other languages also. So my suggestion to everyone, right? Sir, which language I have to select? You can select one language. I don't have any problem. You will get less opportunities. You can select 2 languages. You will get the less opportunities. Because, right? Because the company which you applied, maybe it is not working in the domain. So my suggestion is, these 4 languages you learn. These 4 languages you learn. If you know one language, you know other language also. At least know, right? Main things. Because every language contain for loop. Every language having declaration. Every language having recursion. Am I right? So what I mean to say is, if you know one language, you know other languages also. My suggestion is, please go for these 4 languages. And one more thing is, in the exam prep tool, we made one course for all these 4 languages. Please utilize it. Please learn it. If you spend properly, right, 1 month or 2 months, you will get all these languages. Every language, 200 problems we explained. It will be really useful to you. Many students are giving very good feedback about that course. That course, right? The course is made by, right, ex Amazon person, ex Google person, ex Microsoft person, right? So my suggestion is, please utilize that wonderful option. Instead of trying only one language and waiting for opportunities, my best idea is, please learn these 4 languages. If you learn one language, remaining languages become so easy. So if anyone asks me, sir, which language I have to follow? My suggestion is, please have as many languages as possible. More languages you know, more opportunities you will get. But however, learning language is not that much difficult. Just to spend 1 week, you will get one language. Right? More details about this particular course in the description below I given. Right? Please go there and buy that particular course and study. It may take maximum 1 month or 2 months. Suppose 2 languages 1 month if you take, right? 4 languages maybe it will become, I think, 2 months.